All right, guys, so today we're going to talk about one of those common things that happens to a 996 as they get older, and that is these little caps, which actually cover the little washer nozzle for the headlights, basically wears out, either breaks off or flies away as you're driving down the road. And that's what happened to me. When I got my car a couple years ago, these were loose. So I actually just siliconed them down to the light itself because I really didn't think I would ever use the washer nozzles. The other day we went to Phoenix to go to Barrett-Jackson this year. I got there and one of them was missing. And then I went to the other one and just kind of went like this to it and it came off. So anyway, it's a common thing. So you have to order new ones and they are side specific. The gray one is the passenger side, the black one is the driver's side. I got these from Suncoast Motorsports, 53 bucks a piece. That was about as cheap as I could find them. And it was a total of $118.55 shipped. And I will put the part numbers in the description, so in case you need to order these. But we're just going to do a quick install today. I'll show you how to get these, the old ones out and put these new ones in. So let's go check that out. All right, so there's a couple different ways I've seen this done. You can activate the nozzles. These will come out, you grab it and then unclip it. Or you can use either a piece of wire or some other kind of little tool that has a little hook on it. I picked up this little tool at the auto parts store, so you can kind of hook the old one and you pull it up. There's a significant amount of pressure on there, and then you just kind of pop the little clip here. It takes a little time to get it under there. There we go. All right, so once you pull that little clip off, this just comes out, and again the silver part just breaks off of here, and you can see that little clip. Hopefully you can see it just clips right into that little space there, and then just line it up and it clips right back in. And that's really all there is to it. It's a quick and easy, semi-expensive for what it is fix. All right, guys, hopefully that was helpful if you're dealing with the same thing. Have a good one, and we'll see you next time.